Jersey lovelies, my name is Olisa Gift. Welcome back to my channel. Hope we are all doing fine. That's why I'm getting this. If you have dry hair, for C hair, those type of hair that you think, oh, my hair never accepts any product, try this. No, this is not a paid video. No, this video is not sponsored. It's not being sponsored by anybody. I'm just trying to let my viewers know what can work for you. Buy for your mothers, your sisters, your guys that live here too. This really is a good product. Please subscribe, like, and comment below if you've used this product and if it works for you. And those of you that have not tried it, please go and buy it. I bought it last 1,003. Yes, 2022. I bought it 1,300. So please look for it. This one, not another one, this one. And buy the leave-in conditioner. They have the custard. I think they have the custard, the styling custard, I'm sure. But this is what you get. Best leave-in conditioner ever.